Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In Arabic, the feminine words are different from the masculine words, so their ending sounds and ending combinations are also different. Up till now, we have discussed the ending sounds, ending combinations, and status of the masculine words. Today, we will learn about the ending sounds, ending combinations, and status of the feminine words. We already know that the singular masculine words can have three types of ending sounds: un, and in. For example, the word Muslim have ending sounds Muslimun, Musliman, and Muslimin. The status of words having the sound un is rafa, the status of words having the sound an is nasab, and the status of words having the sound in is jar. Similarly, singular feminine words can also have three types of ending sounds: tun, tan, and tin. The feminine of word Muslim is Muslima, so the word Muslima can have three types of ending sounds: Muslimatun, Muslimatan, and Muslimatin. The status of the feminine words ending with tun is rafa, the status of the words ending with tan is nasab, and the status of words ending with tin is jar. And we use number 1 with their status to show that the word is singular. The masculine words which are pair can have two types of ending combinations: ani and aini. For example, Muslim word can have two types of pairs: Muslimani or Muslimaini. The status of the words which ends with ani is rafa, and the status of the words which ends with aini can be nasab or it can be jar. Similarly, pair feminine words also have two types of ending combinations: taani and taini. For example, word Muslima can have two types of pairs: Muslimatani or Muslimataini. The status of the words which ends with tani is rafa, and the status of the words which ends with taini can be nasab or it can be jar. And we write number 2 with their status to show that the word is pair. There are two ending combinations which can make a masculine word plural. One is una and the other is ina. The plural of the word Muslim can be Muslimuna or Muslimina. The words ending with combination una have the status rafa, and the words ending with ina can have the status nasab or they can have the status jar. Feminine Arabic words have also two types of ending combinations which make them plural. One is atun and the other is atin. For example, the plurals of the word Muslima can be Muslimatun or it can be Muslimatin. The words ending with atun have the status rafa, and the words ending with atin can have the status nasab or they can have the status jar. And we write number 3 with their status to show that the word is plural.